how to make a boomerang video on Snapchat on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a boomerang video on Snapchat on Android. So first thing, just head over to your Snapchat application, and once you're inside here, as you can see, currently Snapchat has removed the direct boomerang effect from your Android device or your application. iPhone device may still support that. If it doesn't, that means the application has removed it. So what you can do instead is just come over to this people icon over here and just click on this search. And once you're searching for boomerang effect, and now all you have to do is just record a particular video just like this and hold it to 3 seconds just like this, and you can click on this play once or infinite loop. Just make sure you have selected the infinite loop button over here so that the video keeps on playing continuously, infinitely. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.